Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cheesy chicken and spinach stuffed pasta shell. And here are the shells you're going to need. These are jumbo shells right here. We're going to stuff them bad boys. Here's some spinach right here. You're going to need some spinach. You're going to need some Parmesan Romano. You're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need some mozzarella. This is Italian style. You're going to need some Parmesan and Romano right here. Excuse me. You're also going to need 2 cloves of garlic right here. This way right here. The other one kick back right there. Put this to the side. Some gloves if you have them. This is about 2 cups of chicken shredded up. And this is rotisserie chicken, by the way. You're going to need, let's see, 32 ounce of ricotta cheese. You're going to need some basil, fresh basil, and some crushed tomato sauce. Okay? And I'm going to be making garlic bread with it as well. Alright? So let's get right into it, guys. Put my gloves on. Move this out the way. And just pick up some of the spinach. Like a half a bag of that. So we do want to wash that off first. So we're going to wash that off. I'm just take some of this cheese. Half a bag of this. So this is 2 cups, so we're going to use 1 cup of this. Quarter cup of this. I don't know why I got this out, because this is the same thing as this. This is granulated though. Okay. We're going to take some of these. Break these up just a little bit. So I ain't going to put that many of these in there. Should have used the other one. So I'm going to put some of this on top. Okay? Your ricotta. That smells good. Super good. I'll stick that in there. Alright. Get the spatula. Get the rest of that out of there. Just like that. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash this spinach off and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and used like 5 ounces of that. That was half of the bag of 10 ounces. Okay? So I put a little garlic powder in here. Like a half a teaspoon. Just to give it some extra flavor. And I'm going to go with a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Or you can use white pepper. I'm going to come with a little salt. Like a 1/4 teaspoon. Then I'm going to take these eggs, put that in there. Just like so. I'm just going to mix this up, guys. Press them yolks and start mixing it up. Now it's going to take at least about an hour to cook because we got to cook that spinach and stuff down that's in it. Now that we got all this stuff mixed up, guys, we're going to put it in a bag. Well, I don't need to do all that, do I? I'm just going to put it in one of these little Ziploc bags right here. I already cut a slit right here at the end. All I did is cut it just like this. Okay? But I ain't gonna do that right now because I gotta get them shells going. And the shells gotta cool, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this up till them shells get done. Shells, we want them to cook al dente. We don't want them all the way totally done. We're gonna let them cook in the oven with the sauce and all that stuff. So, and that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid on this, and I'm gonna see you guys over there. All right. Okay, guys. In a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and put these shells in here. Put me some salt in this water first. Not that much. Put a little olive oil in here. Push it around a little bit. Put some shells up in there. Okay. That's all we're going to do with that. Okay. So move those around with it. Alright. Let me see if I can focus you guys in here a little bit more. Because now we're going to do our butter. We put a tablespoon of butter in here for our sauce. Take the tomatoes, sauce. Put that in there. Garlic that I'm going to put in there. Basil. I use like 3 leaves of them basil. Just going to put that in there, guys. Now, if you don't have it, you can substitute. Now, what I do, I use red wine vinegar. You don't have to use it. It's an optional. I'm just put a splash of that in there. Just like that. Probably like 2-3 tablespoons. Alright? Alright. That's enough of that. So we're going to get us some onion powder. Go with a tablespoon of that. And a pinch of sugar. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. So that's probably like a quarter. Alright. Alright. We're just going to let this simmer. Now, you can use a little black pepper. That's it. That's all we want in there. Excuse me. We're just going to let this cook on medium low, which mine would be in between the 3 and the 4. This is an electric stove. Taste that. Tastes pretty good. Stir these up some more. Because these only going to cook, these shells only going to cook for about good 7 minutes. Because they're going to do the rest of the cooking in the oven. Alright? Alright guys, when these shells get done and cool off, I'm going to show you how to put those together. This is going to be simmering till they get done. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. My sauce and stuff done. These shells are done. So you want them like a little loose like this. You don't want them all the way done. Okay? Because they're going to finish cooking in the oven and that sauce and stuff. I didn't get my sauce. I'm just going to pour some sauce in here. Like half of this. Just like so. Spoon that around. Alright. It's going to cook in this over here in this pot. Alright. Now we take our shell, kind of like open it up some. Take your little stuff right here. Just fill it up. Like so. That's it. See that? That's all you're doing, guys. We're just going to stick this in. Like that. And that's all we're going to be doing. So this is going to be a little challenging, not for me, but you know, I'm used to cooking like this. But just open it up like that and squeeze. Just like that, guys. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off the camera. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This is all I can fit in this pan. I still have plenty more left. So what we want to do now is take up some of this sauce and spoon some of this sauce on here. Alright, I think that's about enough. Alright, it's about enough of that. So then we come in with our cheese. Alright, that's all of that cheese. Now Parmesan, use a shaved one. Just throw some of them on there. Alright, one last cheese I'm going to put on here. It's going to be some cheddar. Not a lot. Not a lot at all, I promise you. That's why I didn't mention it. It's optional as well. I know you like everything is optional. So we're just going to put a little bit on there. Give a little color to it. We're going to put this bad boy in the oven. Throw a little parsley on there. this foil in here. We're going to pop this in the oven at 350 for about an hour. When this is done, I'll put everything together. You guys already seen me make garlic bread, so I ain't going to show you that part. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, here it is. Cheesy chicken stuffed pasta shells. Right here. So you just go in there and pull you out one. Just like that. Set it up on your plate, which I might as well do. Well, I have a plate up. Yeah, grab one. Set it up in there. Three of them is enough for me. Put your little sauce on there. Between there, whatever. 2 pieces of bread. So I got right here. Right there. And there it is. Got a little side salad. Garlic bread. Sorry about the hang over there. That's how it look, guys. So, saying that to say this, because I'm ready to eat. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. In a minute.